Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to show you how to transform your Bash and PowerShell terminals into beautiful, informative workspaces using two amazing tools, NerdFonts and OhMyPosh. NerdFonts enriches your terminal with a huge collection of special icons and symbols that your regular fonts just don't have. OhMyPosh takes these icons and combines them with powerful theming to create dynamic, eye-catching prompts that give you useful info at a glance, like your Git status, system load, and more, basically boosting productivity and increasing eye candy. I'll walk you through installing both, setting them up in your terminals, and customizing your prompts so that you can work smarter and look sharper. So let's dive in. All right, let's begin by opening up a PowerShell admin terminal and installing OhMyPosh on my system. Now there are many ways to complete this installation, including using bash, winget, or other terminals and commands, but I chose to use Choco for mine. Once the installation completes, I'll restart my terminal in admin mode and run get command ohmyposh.source to confirm where it's been installed. Next, I'll run the OhMyPosh font install command to enable me to choose from a long list of available fonts that I can customize my terminal with. You can check out templates within the website ohmyposh.dev to pick a font and theme that really fits your style. For now, I'll choose the Meslo font, and that'll begin the install. Once it completes, we can see that all of the Meslo theme fonts are available now for configuration. Next, I'll go to VS Code, and in the Explorer section, I'll select Show and Run Commands, which is also accessible with Ctrl-Shift-P, and then select Preferences, Open Settings UI. Search for Terminal Integrated Font Family in the UI search bar, and add in MesloLGM Nerd Font. I'll also navigate to the Editor Font Family and add in FiraCode to the list. And that should be all the configurations we'll need to do in VS Code for now. At this point, I'll go back to my PowerShell and run OhMyPosh get shell to confirm it's available for PowerShell. I'm also going to go ahead and edit and add a profile file in Notepad to tell PowerShell the path of the OhMyPosh and to invoke it on startup. I'll also go ahead and include some of this code in the description of this video. After restarting PowerShell, you'll see that some of the color schemes have changed, but the fonts still look a little off. So let's go ahead and fix that. Right-click the top of the PowerShell bar and select Font tab, and then scroll down and select MesloLGM Nerd Font and click OK. And there you have it. The PS terminal has been configured with OhMyPosh and NerdFont. How cool is that? Okay, before we move on, I'll just provide one additional optional tip in case you're still having issues with this setup, which may help to add your OhMyPosh folder to your system environment path by clicking the Windows plus the R buttons on your keyboard and then typing in SystemPropertiesAdvanced, going to Environment Variables, and then adding the path to your OhMyPosh folder. This may help if you're seeing issues with some of this setup. All right, we're almost done. We should be good to go with the PowerShell terminal, but we'll also need to complete this configuration for our Bash terminal. I'll start by running a command to confirm OhMyPosh has been installed, and I'll also create a few Bash configuration files, including the Bash RC and the Bash profile files. And then I'll open the Bash file with Notepad and add the following line and save and close. Remember, I'll also include all of this code in the description, and go ahead and close your terminal and then restart it. After restarting the Bash terminal, I'll navigate to the Options setting and change the font to the Meslo Nerd Font and apply that. And now we can see that my Bash terminal is configured with the OhMyPosh and Nerd Font themes. Looks pretty cool to me. Alright, to wrap things up, I'm going to jump back into my VS Code IDE to fire up both PowerShell and Bash terminals, just to prove that those slick, customized themes are looking sharp everywhere. So that's a wrap for today's video. We've tackled how to set up OhMyPosh on PowerShell, Bash, and right inside the VS Code's integrated terminals. I hope this supercharges your productivity and makes your terminal the coolest workspaces you've got. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on many more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.